Hello to all subscribers, crypto enthusiasts and investors. My name is Harry Flores and I'm happy to see you all on my channel where I'll talk about how to make money from cryptocurrency. Be sure to watch this video to the end, as in the next 5 minutes I will tell you how each of you can participate in the new airdrop and be guaranteed $500 each. And please note that the link to the official website of airdrop will be below this video in the attached comment. Airdrop has just started, so there is still an opportunity to take part and make money. But I will tell you right away that this free buy will not last long, as the total amount is limited.
And now let's move on to the airdrop itself. It is conducted by the developers of Drip Network project. Airdrop is a part of marketing strategy to promote Drip token among population in order to increase the number of holders and interest in the project. Airdrop is held in the famous TrustPad platform. It is a multi-chain, one of the top 5 of the largest launch pads. So, let's take part in airdrop while there's an opportunity in guaranteed ways to earn DRI tokens. Organizers of the drawing have considered that there will be a lot of people. So, they limited the maximum amount of tokens you can get. The limit is $500 in DRI tokens. Also, we see that airdrop amount is limited. 40 million tokens is allocated and already 92% distributed. Which means we need to hurry. The rules of participation in airdrop are very simple. We need to have a wallet on MetaMask or Trust Wallet to get the precious $500. I have a MetaMask add-on, for example. Click Claim Airdrop and connect your wallet to the platform. After connecting your wallet to the platform, immediately you will see a pop-up about a small fee for the transaction that you need to pay. After that, the only thing left is to wait for the DRI tokens to come to our wallet. So, friends, I did it. It took about 5 minutes and DRI tokens appeared on my wallet. I got tokens, which is roughly equivalent to $500. I earned $500 basically in a matter of minutes. This is unbelievable. I can say with certainty that the developers have achieved their goal, as I'm already thinking about holding this token because I believe that this project has a great future. Besides that, I've already taken interest in following the project.